Okay, go.
Okay. So we just got our Misfits box, and I know that I said my last post about Misfits box was gonna be my last post, but I lied. So we're gonna do an unboxing video. They're ice packs.
What in God's name are those?
So the first thing that we got is mushrooms. I've never seen these mushrooms before in my life.
You know what though? They do look like lion's manes.
Yeah. So I think that we actually added those. Now with Misfits box, you're able to add in extra things that you want. So we added those because we're feeling
that
a
is
little.
so fun to look at.
Yeah, we're feeling frisky. We got some kale. Oh wait, hold on. wait, hold on. We have 2 green peppers here. Can you see that?
The color. Can you see the color?
Green peppers. We got 2 of those.
Yes, my favorite apples.
These are not.
My favorite apples. Yellow delicious.
These, I'm gonna bust this
Golden delicious. Golden.
I'm gonna bust this open. Biodegradable bag, I'm sure. These are, little tiny baby
All those little bags.
peppers.
All those little bags are biodegradable.
Little peppers. Let me, wait.
Move your fingers. She's like, we got peppers.
I'll start here. These are green beans. I don't need to open those to show you. These are Brussels sprouts. I don't need to show you these either, but I will.
What if they don't know what they look like?
Yeah, what if they don't know? So this is a Brussels sprout. Put your hand behind
Like
it.
a small cabbage.
Whoa. Yeah, that's a Brussels sprout.
Holy guacamole.
Is that a lemon? Wow, biggest lemon I've ever seen. We got some little cuties. We got some little cuties. 2 red onions.
What are we gonna do with those?
A cabbage.
That looks like a good cabbage.
Head of cabbage.
Looks like straight out of the ground.
Yeah.
Don't make a joke.
Is that a rutabaga? I don't know what
I
that
thought it
is.
was a turnip.
Oh, that might be a turnip. We got a turnip or a rutabaga. Comment down below which one it is. We don't know.
If you could just let us know.
Yeah. And then we got 3 small potatoes. So that's what we got in this month's, or I guess this bi-week's Misfit box. Thanks to everyone who uses our code.
Big shout out to everyone who has used our code recently.
Yeah.
That's been like 3 people?
Yeah. So that's super fun and exciting.
Should we shout them out, their names?
Yeah. Thanks Taylor. Thanks lady on Facebook that I don't know who like knows a friend of mine. And then thanks Kaylin, right? Kaylin bought our other one. So yeah, thanks for using our code. That's what we got.
Thank you to all.
Show us what you got. Because we really
Oh
like to
yeah,
know.
if you get one of our Misfits boxes, Taylor, Kaylin, y'all make a video for us.